Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable insecure mixed content warnings in Chrome for HTTPS UI step by step clearly. Open Google Chrome on your computer. In the address bar, type Chrome // flags and press enter. This will take you to the Chrome experiments page. In the search bar at the top of the page, type mixed content. Look for the entry labeled insecure content. From the drop-down menu next to it, select Enabled. You may need to restart Chrome for the changes to take effect. To do this, find the Relaunch button at the bottom of the page and click it. Once Chrome restarts, proceed to the site you want to test. In the address bar, check if any mixed content warnings appear. If you see mixed content warnings, click on the icon to the left of the URL. Select Site Settings from the drop-down menu. Find the Insecure Content option in the settings. Change it to Allow. Close the Settings tab. Your changes should now prevent mixed content warnings for that specific site. Repeat this process for any other sites as needed. You have successfully disabled insecure mixed content warnings in Chrome. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.